welcome once again to KOKO TV Nigeria, and I am Adenike Sobo. With me, as always, in the studio on this set is my ever vibrant co-host.
Welcome, guys, and you know my name remains Laurence, Oke-Hortons, and welcome once again to the KOKO in Nigeria.
First of all, we delve into it. How are you, Laurence?
I'm good, Nike. You're looking nice today.
Yeah, thank you. Because many times, we don't have time to...
We just talk about each other.
Okay, so guys, this is the political show where we give you all of the trendy basketballs in the Nigerian polity. And today, we have another very, very, very interesting story and event to talk about. This is concerning the supercop Abba. No, let me put Alhaji Abba Kyari. That's the Deputy Commissioner of Police in the Nigerian Police Force, and the Instagram celebrated big boy.
No, not Instagram celebrated.
Embattled Instagram celebrated big boy, Ramon Abbas, popularly known as Hushpuppi.
Yeah. So what is it? Nobody only pass, Nike. Nobody only pass. But so talking about the entire case, what is going on about it? So recently, a paper, a 69 document, was released by the Department of Justice by the United States, which in the statements gotten from Hushpuppi, indicted the Nigerian, the super police, who was even once in charge of the recently disbanded SAS, Abba Kyari, saying he had given Abba Kyari, the police, a high-ranking police officer in the Nigerian police force, money to do carrying a certain fictitious dealings for him, like say giving him money. Please, I need this so person arrested. He has defrauded or done something, defaulted to me. I want you to deal with him for me. So that is what the case is saying. But as the case came out, Abba Kyari also immediately did come out to repel whatever story that had been said by or released by the United States. And just to put it also, the United States has asked for the extradition of Abba Kyari. They want him to be tried in an American court for whatever dealings or whatever crimes he probably had committed, or whatever the relationship he had with Hushpuppi. So, just getting it like we say, the whole case came about being that a particular Qatari person, a business person, wanted to have a transaction. Was looking for a loan to invest, to be set up an international school in Qatar. So this person was reached out, trying to get the loan, basically how what people do. You're looking for sponsors for your business, and then reach out to different person, and then this person came in contact with a particular Ramon Juma, according to the documents released by the Department of Justice of the United States. So a particular Ramon Juma, a Nigerian also, but claiming to be a Kenyan, and was a financer and a sponsor, business consultant of what sort in Kenya. So he was the one who started off this entire dealing with this person or whatever Qatari business person. And the dealing actually he did say, okay, pay me money for doing a consultancy, they pay blah blah blah. And in comes the big boy, the internationally celebrated Instagram big boy, Hushpuppi. And he didn't do small money. These people actually defrauded this person to a tune of $1.1 million US. That's a lot of money.
When converted to Nigerian naira, actually, I don't just have to work.
That is 515 million naira.
I said it. I don't just have to, go to.
I don't need to come to KOKO again.
I don't need to go from 9 to 5,
But Nike, getting to it.
Especially the Abba Kyari.
Abba Kyari is a hugely celebrated police. Is a hugely celebrated cop in the Nigerian police force. I don't know if you recall of this, the billionaire kidnapper Evans. He was the man behind bringing down that man's organization, his corrupt organization. Even when the boss or convoy of the governor of Benue State was attacked, Samuel Otom, it was Abba Kyari and his team that was sent to go and investigate the case. Also, the robbery case in Offa, I think some years back, from 3 to 5 years back, where some people, almost 70 persons were killed and injured. He robbed that big robbery where I think 4 to 5, 6 banks were robbed in Offa. It was Abba Kyari and his team that led the investigation, and they did bring back good results. They were able to catch some of the robbers, able to bring those people to face justice. So all of a sudden, hearing this is definitely throwing a bad light upon everything what he has done, his achievement. He's actually also in his record that he is the chief of he has a medal.
Yes, he has a Nigerian Police something medal, and then he was also he's a member of the International Association of Chief of Police. And I think this is why FFK is finding it difficult, to believe the allegations made against him. But I'm still going to say that, as we said earlier, nobody will pass. Because what could be the relationship between a super cop and
a corrupt and an alleged international fraudster?
Exactly.
He's not a small. He's that man. Should not be small boy at all.
Because even before he was arrested, there are so many speculations and controversies about him on social media. People are always asking, what does he do to have such money to live the kind of lifestyle he flaunts on social media? What does he do?
So Abba Kyari flaunts a certain kind of lifestyle.
No. I mean Hushpuppi.
Okay.
So
okay.
How come a DCP of the Nigerian Police now has so much relationship that he would recommend?
They were exchanging WhatsApp messages.
That could even be okay. According to the report, Hushpuppi said somebody was threatening his life and his family. That could be a report that you take to the policeman. But what was the level of relationship, to the extent that they now opened a tailor shop inside the DCP office, and then the DCP...
It is the DCP that said the money was for clothing.
Yeah. So how did they open a tailor shop? I'm going to say that. A tailor shop
is it tailor or boutique shop?
It's not boutique now, because he said they actually made those clothes. So how did he have so much relationship with a police officer, that super cop, that he began recommending clothes and caps to Hushpuppi? And one thing I've been asking myself and people around me since that he came out with his statement is, does Hushpuppi wear these kinds of clothes that he said he bought from him, or he recommended him to, or something like that? Does Hushpuppi?
I think we're like veering off what the real thing is, because it's not about the clothes at all.
Of course, yes. I'm trying to establish, okay, what is that relationship so much that super cop will have with, Hushpuppi?
Should we be concerned about the relationship he has with Hushpuppi, or rather the crime that is happening
where
here?
everything started before it led to we now finding out the allegations. That is one thing that still baffles me.
I think we should bother more on the allegations rather than just talking about whatever.
Of course, I just needed to put that out.
So now, based on research and information still out there, it says that a particular dealing which happened between Hushpuppi, a particular Juma man, a particular business person.
Yeah.
So they needed somebody who would help them build a website. To clone the Wells Fargo, a popular American Wells Fargo bank, where they could use to dupe that business person. So they needed somebody, but as you say, we have almost all talents and skills in Nigeria. So that business person was a Nigerian, Vincent, and he's based in Nigeria, Vincent Chibuzo, according to reports. So Vincent did a great job, did well. So gave them the website which he had cloned. The website was delivered to Hushpuppi. They used it to defraud the sole Qatari person or business person. Now they refused to pay Vincent for a job done. So that was where the whole problem did come from. Exactly. So Vincent picked up the phone, tried to connect the business person, saying Hushpuppi and the other person that they were dealing with were scammers. That this person, you be careful. And then Hushpuppi, got a sniff of that, and then called Abba, which means I think we're even misdirecting this whole talk, because there's definitely a relationship that must have been pre-existing relationship.
Exactly. So that is what I was trying to
point out. So what should be is, are there other cases in the past where Hushpuppi had used such a person in such a position to deal with boys or guys in the syndicate? So those are the questions should rather be asked. But
bring that out.
As much as we're saying, as much as we're beginning to indict and say Abba had probably had a dirty dealing and all of that with this particular person, we should also remember of some of the great things he had done. He's actually almost a 5-page of records, things that his achievements. So when we look at all of this, it begins to give you all of the notion that okay, what exactly is going on. And I think we should also point this out. Though yes, they did went to arrest the so-so Victor Chibuzo. Who knows? Maybe he was threatening Abbas's parents or family in Nigeria because they did not pay him his money. So he did make a report, and then he arrested Chibuzo. So that could also be, it could be what actually happened. And then what the transfer of money or exchange of finance, whatever, didn't go directly to Abba's account. What the information is saying is Abba did send an account number for him to send money for a job which they had done, for arresting and whatever. But the information is saying what we've seen and documents that are released, with the WhatsApp chats they had, where he was telling Abba, Hushpuppi, was telling Abba Kyari that this person, I want him to go to jail for real. I want to make him suffer
for
long years. So these are where we begin to say, okay, if you are a policeman where you're supposed to protect and serve, and you've done this for years, you've had recognition for great diligence to your duties and your job. So what exactly is going on?
It still brings everything back to two points. The first that we made earlier, as to say nobody only pass. I'm always.
So when we say nobody only pass, are you actually saying Abba is a corrupt police officer?
I am not saying specifically he's corrupt because he has not been tried by a court of law. But going from all of these allegations, and that is why I am still asking, probably if I get a clearer picture of what kind of relationship exists between, let's say, okay, he did not, the money Hushpuppi sent was not a bribe, as the FBI alleged. So let's take it to, okay, it was because of some clothes.
Why are you persistent about clothes?
Because that was what Abba Kyari said, that the money was not for.
Did you hear what Abba actually came out to say after talking about the clothes thing? Saying if he's arrested, that he will bring other police officers.
I was just going to lead to that, and it still brings us back to nobody only pass. Because if you are saying this thing is for clothes, and then all of a sudden you are saying if the hands of the FBI gets you, then you are going to bring every other person down. Then what are you insinuating? Ordinarily, you are telling us that okay, yes, there is.
No, but we know the Nigerian police. The Nigerian police is corrupt.
Going down. Exactly, that's what he's just trying to.
But the Nigerian police is actually a very corrupt place. I'm saying this because we have seen. Have you seen, on an average, I'm driving down the road. Say, have you gone through? I don't know this particular road around between Abeokuta to where's this place? This place in Oyo State. It's saying.
Okay, yeah.
The road between Aduawaye, that road. Yeah. If you go through that road, on the road there are over 17 checkpoints, and you're driving as a commercial bus. On your way, you don't stop. You just do it like this.
You get to see.
And then you go on. So what if I'm carrying it? See, we all know that the Nigerian police, they have skeletons in their wardrobes. So, but now this man, maybe if they dig deeper, maybe more will be done.
Let's see. But I guess we'll be shocked because many of us are shocked with this first revelation. So probably we'll continue to get shocked.
So you want? Do you want him? Do you want him to be extradited to the States?
Well, I think yes.
Why?
I think he should.
Whatever crime he committed, actually he committed it in
Nigeria. I understand.
So it should be tried. The IGP has been super active on this. Immediately they asked suspension. He didn't order. He advised that the PC,
Police Commission
PSC,
eventually suspended it. So I think if he has nothing in his cupboard, let him go there.
He should be extradited.
Yeah,
but the person that was arrested was not arrested in America or it was in Nigeria. The person, the Vincent Chibuzo, whoever, it was in Nigeria. Whatever thing he did was in Nigeria. So
okay, yes.
Why should he?
Even the bribe, whether it's bribe or clothes and caps money, everything was done in Nigeria.
So it should be tried.
I don't think we could ascertain where Hushpuppi was at the time.
It was in Dubai. Hushpuppi was in Dubai.
So it happened in Nigeria, but now because
I just remember he had actually Hushpuppi. They had a very close relation. At one point he did travel to Dubai for a treat. by Hushpuppi. He was picked up by Hushpuppi's driver.
I was thinking we should not go there because one of the the document said that Abba Kyari was promising to be a good boy to our
which hour?
Dear Hush. But whichever way it is, I actually feel it should be extradited if he has nothing in his cupboard, as I said. If it is tailor shop that they open a DCP office, if the money is meant for clothes and there was nothing actually, then why not? It should not.
Even if the money is meant for clothing, it is actually
like,
still a bribe. Why are you paying him money for this and anything? If it's actually still a bribe, whatever form the money was coming in from someone who will tell you to help him to just go and arrest someone who you could not even identify whatever crime he had committed, it's a bribe of some sort. So in any point of it might be actually a bribe.
You are not agreeing with me that he should be extradited?
No, I want him to be tried here in Nigeria, and he should be tried fully by a Nigerian court because he's a Nigerian citizen and whatever he had done here in Nigeria.
Well, I hope that, as much as I'm not agreeing with you, I hope that will take full course because we've seen so many other cases that they did not go, and we know Nigeria, he has
been suspended now.
All these high-ranking people, they want to protect themselves, probably their own interests, their own friends, and whatever. And now that he has threatened to open people's boards, I am sure that some people will want to, cover it. But whichever way it is, all I know is they opened this tailor shop, according to Abba Kyari, in the DCP's office. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the KOKO in Naija. See you in the next edition. This is Laurence signing out. Thank you, guys.
And it's Laurence. See you guys later.